It's just so you make sure that you have enough to fill your hat. I should have. So I'm gluing those two together to make one fluffy beard. And now I'm also going to glue the hat onto the beard. And you kind of have to hold it a little bit while it dries. As needed, so it's all stuck together, and then start trimming the beard. Here is everything completely together with, I put a little button nose on it and beard's all trimmed. I also put them on this little tree I had to show one way you could use them around your house. If you want to do the pom-pom, you can find some fun colors, and when you're about to start trimming it up, leave two really long and tie it together. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to watch more videos like this, go check out my channel where I post every Thursday about art, nature, horses, and simple living. Bye!